Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries and Aquarius for the month June. This is mid-month reading. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Aquarius. So your recent past Aquarius, Four of Cups, the Sun, Two of Pentacles. You both want this relationship, but you could be past in separation because Four of Cups. You person or you could be feeling sad for the missed opportunity and juggling. I think this person juggling more what they have to make decision between finances and between you and their finances, whatever they are juggling in past. There is separation also for some. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, but you both want this connection. The Sun is here center. So what is going on your connection right now? Seven of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Your person could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign also. Ace of Wands, Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. One person in this connection invests more than the other person and waiting for the result. And Ace of Wands, there is a chance for new beginning because the Sun, here the Ace of Wands. And your person want to settle the things. Communication is coming in your way. In June you maybe get the communication from your person. So there is a chance for new beginning, Aquarius. So your person near future actions towards you. Let's see. Page of Cups, Lord of Cups, and Three of Swords, the Emperor. I want clarification card here for why is Three of Swords is here. Temperance. So your person could be Sagittarius or you could be your person want to apologize what they did to you. Sorry. Three of Swords, because one person is hurted in this connection, and patience and balance is needed in this connection. Temperance is here because one person is definitely hurt by the other person, and the Emperor, your person want to offer long-term commitment, but it will take time because Temperance is here. Patience and balance, definitely they will say apology to you. Messages are coming in your way. So let's pull some cards from universe. Aquarius, I already told you new beginning. Ace of Swords is also new beginning. Truth coming out and new beginning. Communication. Death, yes, your person undergo some transformation. That's why Temperance, patience and balance. Hermit mood. The last card for the reading, Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords means cycles ending. Definitely some cycles are going to be end in near future. The Hermit, I think it is your person could be not taking any action in past, but after the transformation they will realize you both, they want to communicate to you and they want to apologize you and they want to offer long-term commitment. And Ace of Swords, definitely there will be a chance for new beginning and the Ten of Swords cycles ending. So what's the message for you is particularly temperance, patience and balance is needed. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.